Okay guys, so we are going to take a look at this floor plan, specifically the master bedroom, walk-in closet, and master bathroom suite. So we are going to enter on this video in this hallway. We're actually going to come up the staircase, which is an open foyer, which is this whole area right here. We're going to come up the staircase, and we're going to start the video from this point right here, and we will work our way down the hallway. There's a closet here, a laundry, and as we get further down, we enter the master bedroom suite, which is, you can visualize, above a two-car garage. This whole area is above a two-car garage, and as you walk through the suite, you have there's going to be actually a barn door over here, walking into a walk-in closet, master walk-in closet, and then the master bathroom is over here, which has a soak tub, double sink, private toilet, and a custom shower. So let's take a look.
Alright guys, we're going to take a look at the master bedroom suite that we had finished here. We're going to walk down the hall. We have a couple closets on the hall and then the entry to the master bedroom suite. Let's take a look. Okay, so here is the open foyer. We come up the stairs here. We have a large foyer here that leads to 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And as we go down the hall here, this leads to the master bedroom. We have a couple closets, we have a laundry, and then as we enter here, this is the entryway into the master bedroom suite. And as we walk in here, look at the size of this room. We're above a 2-car garage, just to give you an idea how big this room is. And we have a beautiful 10-foot tray ceiling up top. HVAC is all in place. We have our electric already connected. And just look at it, it looks great. I mean, we have large oversized windows in here, all egress windows, and this place is going to look amazing. So there's the door walking into the room, and through this area here leads you into the walk-in closet and the bathroom suite. So let's take a look. All right, so as we walk in here, this is all walk-in closet. This whole area, it's about 15 by 12 roughly. It's going to be wrapped with shelving. And as you walk in from the bedroom into the closet, on this wall here, there's going to be a barn door that's going to slide open this way. As you walk in, you'll have your closet here, and this will be another entry into the master bathroom suite. So now we're in the master bathroom suite, and we have an upper window. We have a soak tub. You can see it marked out. We have a double vanity, 6-foot vanity over here. We have a large custom oversized shower in this corner right here, and then the left corner to the left of that will be a private toilet area, and you see the door will swing open this way. We have the toilet marked out, a window in here, and you can see how nice, great size this entire bathroom is. We designed the entire upper floor here, and this really came out nice, the layout for this master bedroom and bathroom suite. Hey guys, Dave here, and I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You could also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks.